is Isaac Halloran, and I am graduating from New Mexico State University with a Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology through the College of Education. I would like to thank the NMSU Alumni Association for selecting me to receive the 2020 Outstanding Graduate Award for the College of Education. It is an incredible honor to be chosen for this award, and I am humbled to be this year's recipient. I would also like to thank all of the amazing faculty and staff of the kinesiology department for mentoring me and guiding me through my 4 years at NMSU. And I would like to especially thank Dr. Burning for nominating me for this award and for being a mentor during the past 4 years. You all have helped me in so many ways and assisted me in my dream of becoming a doctor of physical therapy. Getting into physical therapy school is not easy, but with your help and countless hours of studying, I was able to make that dream a reality, and I am incredibly excited for the 3 years that lie ahead. My time at NMSU has truly been a blast, from being on the rugby team to playing intramural sports, attending NMSU sporting events, being a research and a teaching assistant, and meeting so many incredible people along the way who have made my time as an Aggie that much more memorable. And finally, to my parents and family. How you raised 8 children, I will never know, but I am grateful for the countless sacrifices that you have made for us all. Although we never had much, you taught me the value of hard work and the importance of serving others, especially those who are most in need, and for that I am forever grateful. Thank you very much.